You stayed cool on this Friday with a lot of sizzle in the atmosphere and more thunder and lightning out there, causing a little bit of havoc across the area. Let's get to what you need to know as we give you a first alert to our stretch of heat that continues through your weekend. And in fact, we'll challenge records in Fargo. Fargo has been the hot spot on many days here over the last several. Want to stay hydrated and drink plenty of liquids, loose fitting clothing, and finding shade. Shade can bring temperatures that are 20 degrees colder than standing out in the midst of the sunshine. You'll want to make sure you check the back seats. Under no circumstances leave the kiddos or the furry friends in the cars with the heat as hot as we will be. And a cold shower and ice bath can really cool you off, as opposed to warming up slowly when you have frostbite or hypothermia. When you're overheating and your core temperature is hot, we want to get that down. Call 911 if you notice someone is unconscious from heat or heat exhaustion. Here's a look at the showers and thunderstorms that are remaining. Central Valley slowly moving through. Here we got some showers that are heavy moving into the FM area where we have the dark greens and the yellows. Those will soak the sidewalk here, and we're going to get another dose of rain. The heavier showers, though, focus off to the east. So soggy soakers here in green, moving from Oxbow right up into the FM area. Hawley, Lake Park in particular, seeing some heavier showers moving towards Hitterdall. Now Ulen and on up towards Norman County, where we are seeing some exiting storms north of Highway 200. 81 in Hallock, 78 Grand Forks, 75 in Jamestown. A lot of 70s, including upper 70s for you in Detroit Lakes as storms have rumbled through. Dew points are sticky air you can wear. You step out of the shower, you never dry off when dew points are in the 70s, and that's what we have up in the north. And that also means we'll have a potential for some fog here at Hector, 76 degrees, 73 at Moorheads Airport. Your wind gusting over 20 miles per hour from these surrounding storms that are moving our way. Overnight, temperatures are going to slowly fall into those 70s. We will see the thunderstorm chances continue to diminish. I don't expect severe overnight. Patchy areas of fog first thing on your Saturday morning. If you're heading out early to, well, dip the poles in the water and do some fishing, be prepared for that. Then, as we go through the day, the heat is on. Fargo will be the hot spot once again, and just like today, if we get a thunder shower forming right over us, really unpredictable exactly where these little pimples are going to form tomorrow. But if it forms over your town, it's going to cut off that heating even briefly, and that'll limit our heating. That's what happened to us today. We hit 92. I think we'll be in the mid-90s tomorrow. Challenging records still in the 90s up north right here in the Red River Valley. That's where the hottest will be. Plentiful 80s across Lakes Country. And fewer thunderstorms tomorrow to interrupt our daytime heating, but we will see a few gully washers, some hail here and there, and a couple storms that'll be pretty gusty as well. Beautiful shot here. How about that Cass County stunner at Brewer Lake? Glenn, thank you for your fantastic view from above. Let's take a look at that Proseed farming forecast, shall we? A very hot weekend, spotty showers and storms to help green things up. Hopefully your crops are taking hold. Hopefully you've gotten them in the ground. This wet weather has been a little tricky. Monday, thunderstorms continue. So does the heat. But then, look at this, fewer thunderstorms. A little bit drier pattern, not necessarily colder. Look at late next week on the 8th and 9th. We're talking well into the 90s. A little cooler after next Sunday, the 11th. Justin.
Right, thank you, Hutch. Up next.